in front of you only and cutting this to material. Okay, that's it. So this is the thing you need to prepare for writing skills. Clear? Then comes writing importance. So what is the importance? So I have shared the link here. Okay. So this is the importance of writing skills for students. So these are the things, right? We have already discussed, but you need something to write. Right? If you remember, ability to explain yourself, serve as a record of future, then help you in getting the job in later life. It improves the communication skills. It improves the focus and connect with yourself. It increases the knowledge, creativity, and imagination. It helps in getting job. Again, I don't know why they have given. Okay, but as I told you now, writing has a two different job. Writing help you in getting job as well as writing itself is a job, राइट दैट मीन्स आप कोई भी काम करो उसमें राइटिंग तो होना ही चाहिए तो वो तो अलग बात है लेकिन आप फुल टाइम राइटिंग का ही काम कर सकते राइटिंग इटसेल्फ अ जॉब वी हैव डिस्कस ऑल दिस थिंग्स व्हाट डिजिटल मार्केट कंटेंट वो वेबसाइट पे 1 रुपए का 1 वर्ड इफ यू रिमेंबर राइट सो दैट इज व्हाट इज ऑल अबाउट ओके सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फाइन just close the book. Okay. So this is the material that I have given and I have attached here. You can go through and then, it's of the time. First one. The second one. Second. Yeah, fine. Then uh, we have this non-verbal communication. So non-verbal communication I have taught you with the help of the PPT from my own blog only, right? So this is the blog. We have discussed this PPT and this PPT you have seen. What we need is something we need to prepare, nothing else, right? Okay. This is what we have seen, and I'm going to discuss those only which is in your work. Okay. X factors we are not going to ask, so nothing to worry. Forget X factors. Okay. This also you forget because this is something you know require to learn. Right now, this is on higher education. How to improve. See, this is a wonderful presentation. I have spent more than 1.5 day on analysis or developing or helping this model to develop in persons. So whenever I go for workshop, I will go for this particular model. I teach this particular model to develop positive image in office also, in life also, in family also, or in your background also. It's a wonderful thing, but right now it is not in your course. What you need to focus is uh, just one thing. Our things only, right? That is non-verbal communication. These are the reason. If you remember, this is the PPT, right? Okay. Functions, 5 functions you have seen, right? Then these are the faulty body language, if you remember. Then the faulty body language reason. Then again benefit. These are the types. And then these are the grooming kits we have discussed. And then the types. Smile, eye contact, facial expressions, then posture, gesture, haptics, smell, voice, proximity, humor, and these are the stores. This you can use in interview also as well in your life also for any kind of answer, right? So three things we require we discussed earlier also. So these are the parting thoughts. In life, remember this. This is the parting thought from me also. At the last day, in the last sentence will be this only, that nothing changed until we change. Right? These two sentences has been taken from my own role model, Jim Rohn. And Jim Rohn used to say these sentences, two sentences. First is, if we are tough on ourselves, life will be easier on us. So if you are going to be tough on yourself, right? If you make yourself tough, life will be so easy, right? So if you make yourself dull, soft, lazy, then definitely life will not be easy. But if you discipline yourself, if you really make yourself tough, if you really discipline every area of your life, right? If you just control yourself, right? Then definitely life will be so easy. And then Nothing changed until we change. Atmosphere will not change, government will not change, economy will not change. Only we need to change our own economy. It is all we need to change for improving our own life, right? So these two sentences as parting thought for you also. So this is the PPT for you. Remember this and work hard for this PPT. Okay. After that, importance of communication, right? For effective teaching, right? So uh, these are the reason importance. Is what is the use? So this is the one for communicating with students, for communicating with parents, for communicating with colleagues, and these are the strategies, right? Strategies we don't want to worry because that is not a part of it. We have discussed differently, but here you have to remember the importance, right? Okay, so please remember this. Then communication process. See, we have discussed communication process, but you need some material to write also because we have shown you the model. The one, right? So we have explained the model, but to explain the model, you need some material also to write. So for that, this is the material. Clear? So these are the communication process parts, and this is the way we need to understand. This is the only thing which I have showed you also last time. Then tips for improving communication process. This you need to prepare. Okay? Because this we have discussed also. This is very important also, right? And one more material is here beside this, and that is we have two, this seven elements. See, two materials I have given. You can use both of, you can read both of this and you can master this particular point. That is major elements of communication process. Clear? Uh, then comes LAC, that is activities, right? For developing speaking skill. So here I have used those sites only which I have used to explain you. So this is the first slide, if you remember, right? So these are the activities, right? So a discussion, if you remember, role play, simulation, information gap, brainstorming, solving, if you remember. So this is something that we have discussed, and this is the material for you to write. Next is this one, Edutopia. See, this is extra, right? For because this is the website which you should always and always visit. Every day, I think one time you visit this website and learn one article, you will be expert in education field in your own field. This is a wonderful website. I think everybody should go through it if they are teaching, right? So they have games are given. You can think of these games and you can also learn and develop yourself. We have not discussed these things, but this is extra for you. So this is the one. Then last is functions of speaking. What are the functions of speaking? This is the first material in which it means you must be looking about this person, right? Jack Richard is one of the big name in language learning. He is one of the big name in linguistics also. So he has given these are the difference, right? These are the functions. So these are the functions he has given, right? From here. So these are the functions we need to think of, right? And these also we have seen. See, again we are discussing. Please understand. Talk as an interaction. That means vartala. Here, talk is it's a social function, right? Primarily, प्राथमिक मूलभूत अगर हमें social बनना है, then we have to talk, right? We have to speak. And it reflects the role relationship also. The way you talk, people understand that this is the boss, this is the servant, this is the junior, this is the senior, this is the father, this is the son, like that, right? So the way we talk, people understand the role also, that who is who. Then it reflects speaker's identity also. Yes, right now. When you speak, right, you are not speaking just your thought, you're speaking your whole personality, right? People can judge you by your thought and your talk. So this is the one. It may be formal or casual. See, right now we are talking in a formal mode, uh, but but you can means be informal also, right? When you meet in your group, right? Suppose right now if I go to classroom, I have to be formal, but after classroom we can have informal talk also, right? Uses conversational conventions. What is conversational conventions? Conversational means वार्तालाप, बातचीत, right? Convention means सिद्धांत, right? जो हमने means fix किए हैं वो कि भाई conversation में क्या होता है that everybody has to have their turn. We have to speak in means as our turn comes. We should not interfere in between, right? We should listen for listening. We are not just listening to for means waiting for our turn only, right? So these are the rules of conversation. Next is reflect a degree of politeness. That is also most important thing, right? If you are not polite in conversation, if you are not polite in speaking, then definitely others will also say do the same thing, and that communication becomes the example of aggression. Okay, employ many generic words, right? Definitely, generic means samanya. So we have to remember that. Again, I'm telling you that if you have become the expert in English, if your communication skill is so fine, but still in your life, use simple sentences and very simple vocabulary. I have discussed it. Frequency words, right now. Which are the frequency words? Use only high frequency words. Now, what are the high frequency words? Search on the internet, you will find the 3,000 words list, which are used throughout the world in a very high manner, and they are very common. In and the, all these things are there. So, search on the internet high frequency words. Let us do it right now only so that your English can be improved also later on. Let's search here high frequency words in English. Okay. Now we have high frequency word list here. Okay. Now what is high frequency word? So they have given high frequency word. There is a Dodge list. With the help of Dodge list, the phonic sounds and all these things are there. So you can have the high frequency word from here also. Okay. And here there is a list also. You can have a list of this high frequency word, right? And they are also given in a very nice manner in vocabulary.com. This is a wonderful website. If you click on any, suppose, let us say affinity. What is affinity? Sorry, affinity. What is affinity? That is natural attraction and feeling for kinship. That is सामान्य जो आकर्षण होता है इसको बोलते हैं affinity. When you click here, you will have the pronunciation. You have the definition also, the part of speech also. There's noun, you have examples also, and it's totally free. So I mean, make your account into this. Sign up vocabulary.com. You will have a wonderful vocabulary list also. Here they have the wonderful list, right? Suppose idioms. So list one is given of 20 idioms here. So this is a list. Let us say start practicing. So they will teach you how to practice also. Let us start practicing. They will teach. They are looking for, and now here they will ask for a sign up. So you have to sign up and you have to do it. It's free, enjoy and learn. They will teach you so many things. If you want to love, means if you are loving the words, this website can be very helpful to you. At least we should learn at least one word a day. And if you are, and this is made for educators also. That means the teachers like us also. So when we work with the children, we can provide the gift of vocabulary to our students with the help of this website. Okay, those who want to develop. And please remember, people have learned more than 15,000 words on this website up to now effectively, and it is proven also with the help of science. And more than 2 to 7, that means 2 like 27 questions of massive pool is also here. So you have a wonderful conversation and wonderful games and everything is here. You need to just explore this website. Okay. Then we have YouTube of high frequency words, and they will see these are N, R, what, or these are the words, top 10 for words for English. Then you have a list like high frequency word books will come, just one. So these are the high frequency word which they have given in the table, right? And this is again the list, top 10 100 list. So this is the word, top 50 written word. So top 50 में कौन से आएंगे? So these are the words, okay? इसमें से एक भी ऐसा वर्ड नहीं है जो आप नहीं जानते, right? So please kindly go through it and use these kind of words only so that your student can understand. Otherwise, what happens? That you will be on a high plane, your students will not able to understand, then the problem starts, right? Use conversational register. Register means language here. Register is a language of use. Technical term here. So use conversational language. That means don't go for any high-fi or I mean, a kind of a formal, too much formal language. Conversation is बातचीत की भाषा जो होती है डेली व्यवहार की वही भाषा में उपयोग करें. And is jointly constructed. And please remember, talk is always jointly constructed. That means talk cannot be done in isolation. I need your help to develop the talk, develop the conversation. So it's a joint effort. Okay. So these are the things given by I.A. Richards. Then we have something else also. That is this one. This also we have discussed. I'll show you. You will come to know. Let's take it open. This is from the Harappa education. What are the most effective speaking skills? So, what are the skills? And three main reasons aspect. So, this is what we need to focus on. Importance here: getting them to say yes. Yes. If you have a good ability to convince people, you can make them say yes. That means whatever you want, they will say yes if you have that skill, that persuasion power. And communication is has having that. Speaking skill is having that. Then developing the career edge. Good speakers are having a wonderful career because in every profession you have to conduct meeting, you have to speak in front of public, you have to write in a better manner. So effective communication, effective speaking can really lead you. You can be a leader also in the company. And nowadays, please remember, more than degrees, skills are important. If you are on Twitter, just 2 days back, Elon Musk, the biggest, this richest man on the earth, right? Elon Musk has Jeff Bezos is also there, but he's, I think, on number two. Elon Musk is either number two or one, I don't know. But these are the richest person in the world. And these two, that is Elon Musk from Tesla company and Jeff Bezos from the Amazon, both of them have announced that in their company, degree is not a requirement, only skill is requirement. So they will not going to see the degree. Now onwards, they are going to see the skills only in the recruitment. Now, see, this is the biggest change. World's largest and world's richest person has given this particular proponent that we don't want degree, we want skills. Because after getting degree also, people are not having the skills. Those who are doing MBA, but they don't have business sense. Those who are doing MCA, they don't have the sense of computer application. Those who have finished their English, you must have seen that they are not able to speak English properly. So point here is that skill is required. And now this is the new turn. And I'm sure these two persons have started this, and the other will also start following the same, right? So skill is more important. It will definitely going to help you for a career age. That means what? Career का graph बढ़ाएगा आपका. Next is holistic communication development. It's a holistic. When you're a good speaker, you have to be a good reader. When you are a good speaker, you can write well, you can express well. And to become a good speaker, you have to listen also well. So all these LSRW, listening, reading, speaking, writing, all are connected, right? And that with connection becomes the holistic model. Just 1 minute. Students, there is an announcement from Dr. Yusna Amin that you have a class after this class, right? So her class from 12:45 to 1:30 is now cancelled because she has annual testation of BEd students. And annual testation is such that everybody has to observe, right? These are the most important thing you will also give. So now these two things are clashing. So your 12:30 to sorry 12:45 to 1:30 class is postponed. So other teacher who want to take class they may join. Otherwise you have a break. Clear? Next. Then becoming the expert, right? To become the subject expert also, good speech is very important. Because what happened that knowing the thing is very important, but how you communicating those things is also very important. So to establish yourself as an expert, you must know how to communicate the things that you know. बिकॉज जस्ट आप भर मीन्स आप रीडिंग करते रहेंगे पूरा पूरा बस पूरा भरा है आपके पास राइट बट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू मीन्स use those things in an effective manner. You have to serve those things, you have to design those things, you have to design the talk, you have to design the thought, you have to convince people, use your knowledge, right? If ये नहीं आता है then it's is of no use. You feel like a boss. That is true. You feel like a boss, right? Because once you have a this skill, you know that you can do anything, right? So you feel like a boss, right? And you will also feel if you develop. That's it. इसमें आगे कुछ नहीं करना है सिर्फ इतना ही है, right? Yeah. Then roll again. This is the third one. Roll again. I think this is going to be more complex to you. Nothing to worry. Two is enough, right? I am discontinuing this because these are having a general issue and you will get confused. I'm just because they have given everything in a jumbled manner. So again, you get confused. These two are enough, right? So these are the material for LAC. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So the 8 points are there and eight material is here, right? Maybe in some of the links you have two to three slide, two to three other different material, right? Like here might be here you have two things, right? Here also you might be having two. Here also you have two. So this way some material is there, but that is for your understanding only, right? So here what happened that if you can see we have completed everything in LAC as well as we have completed we have also completed everything in critical understanding and ICT also. In ICT also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So in that there is 12 material. So total 20 material, 20 points material is here, right, with you on classbook. So you can learn from that. Start reading from today. Okay, start reading from today, and after that, please remember. After that, if you have any questions, start asking also, right? We have a different group also. You can ask there also 121 seconds, right? You can ask there also. If you have any issues, definitely you can talk to me directly. But start reading those things because once you start reading, then only you will come to know that what are the problems you are facing in those materials. And please remember, this is going to be MCQ examination. So from this material only, we are going to create MCQs. So read in a detail, minute detail, so that you're not going to face any problem, right? In expecting those things. Clear? So here,
Yes, sir.
everything is over here. Now, if you want to say something, you can say. Anyone. कोई भी see, हमने communication skills के बारे में बात की है, तो you must be having someone who can have a good communication right now. Somebody who should dare. Anyone? Nobody is daring? From 77, no one is there who can speak something in front of this crowd? Okay, one more thing. How do you find the teaching of these two subjects by me? Now, I think you can.
Excellent,
Okay,
sir.
that
Outstanding.
Yes,
Very
very
good.
true.
Very.
I really
Sir,
feel
we
good
have
right now.
enjoyed
मेरी
while
reels में क्या?
learning.
हाँ बोलिए.
Sir,
Yes.
I
हाँ
have enjoyed thoroughly while learning and
Mhm.
was able to connect everything. And the teaching which you taught was with the examples. So bounce से कुछ भी नहीं हुआ.
ओके, नहीं अभी कुछ बाउंस हुआ भी हो ना तो मुझे बता देना. आई विल प्रिपेयर अ वीडियो एंड कीप इट राइट. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू ना दैट आई एम फ्रॉम 19 ऑनवर्ड्स आई एम टोटली फ्री. So from 19 onwards, I'm going to start preparing those 2 minute video, 121 second वाला हमारा जो concept है ना, वो after 19 I'll be starting. So you will enjoy a lot, right? I'm posting those videos directly to your Google group, sorry, WhatsApp group only. So you will have, you will enjoy, right? Okay. Because one we have a channel name 121 seconds, right? And we will
Yes,
enjoy.
sir.
Okay. Anything else that you want to see? Any suggestion for me to improve? Something which I need to improve? Because you are 77 people and you have been observing me from last this 1.5 month. So do you think that I need to improve something?
No, sir.
Yes,
No.
uh, yes, sir, I would like to suggest you one thing.
Priti?
सर प्लीज आप है ना जब आप कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हो ना आप क्वेश्चन पूछ के तुरंत आप आंसर दे देते हो। आप मतलब हम लोगों को आंसर देने का मौका नहीं देते। कुछ कुछ इजी इजी चीजें होती है जो हमें आ जाती है बट हम आंसर देने से पहले आप उसका ऑटोमेटिक खुद ही आंसर दे देते हो।
Okay. That I will
तो
remember
यू
because
हैव
I
टू
think.
आपको इस चीज पे वर्क करना हो कि आप हमें क्वेश्चन करोगे तो इट विल बी मोर इंटरेक्टिव फॉर यू।
Okay, that is true, right? I'm sorry because of virtual mode, this is a little bit difficult, but this is a very good suggestion. I'll keep in mind, I'll write down in my diary also, and I am going to
यस
work on
सर।
it. Sure. So from
हाँ
next session, कभी भी हम मिलेंगे, ये point तो नहीं आएगा, that is guaranteed. Okay?
यस एक्चुअली ये मैं आपको बहुत पहले ही बोलने वाली थी सर बट इट जस्ट लाइक के नहीं जाने दो जैसा चल रहा है चलने दो बट आप मैंने नोट किया था कि काफी टाइम से है ना हमें आ रही थी क्योंकि आईसीटी में काफी कुछ था जो हम भी आंसर्स दे सकते थे ऐसा कुछ था बट आप फिर जैसे ही पूछते हो फिर तुरंत आगे आप ही आंसर देने लग जाते थे तो मैंने सर को यहाँ पे थोड़ा रुकना पड़ेगा और हमसे पूछना पड़ेगा आप बताओ।
True, true, true. Right. It's a one-way communication in this Google mode that
या
is wise. Alright? No problem. I'll work it out. Right. Okay.
थैंक
Thank you very
यू।
much for this suggestion. Right. Is there anyone who would like to give? I am really happy that at least somebody has courage to speak, and this is something which I very important for me because it is really helping me to improve. So, is there any suggestion that you have here? Anyone?
सर +1 एक इंटरनेट डोंगल खुद का भी रख लीजिए क्योंकि बहुत बार
Hi.
सब टीचर्स को रखना चाहिए क्योंकि हर बार हम किसी पर एमएससी पर डिपेंडेंट नहीं
नाइस
हो
वन।
सकते हैं।
Actually, what I meant that we have to. This is not like that, dear. Actually, इंटरनेट डोंगल या 4G रखेंगे ना उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है बेटा. बिकॉज आप इंटरनेट डोंगल रखो या 4G रखो, 4 GB से ज्यादा कोई डेटा नहीं देता और 4 GB से ज्यादा प्लस कोई भी कभी देती नहीं है. और 3 लेक्चर खत्म हो तो 4 GB आराम से खत्म हो जाता है बेटा और हमारे 4 4 5 5 होते हैं. तो एक प्रॉब्लम ये है. एमएससी वाईफाई के सिवाय अपने पास अभी कोई इलाज नहीं है लेकिन ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स की दे आर टीथिंग ट्रबल्स राइट. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव स्टार्टेड सो नाउ वी नो दैट व्हाट वी नीड टू डू. देखिए
यस
ये
सर।
सब चीजें भी हमारी मीटिंग में हमारी स्टाफ मीटिंग में डिस्कस हो चुकी है कि काफी सारे मिस टीचर्स के क्लासेस लेफ्ट जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इश्यू राइट. So we have decided that from next year, that means from next semester, we are going to be more robust and we are going to find out solution that at least at this time connectivity may not test. Right? If the connectivity is not, what can be done? So we are going to have some router facility and this dongle facility also. That we have discussed, right? It's a good suggestion. And thank you.
यस सर।
Yeah. Please. Mm-hmm. हम्म. हाँ बेटा मैं भी यही कर रहा था जब मेरा बंद हो गया था वैसे ही कर रहा था. एमएससी वाईफाई चल रहा था तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं यूएसबी टेथरिंग बोलते हैं. यस राइट आई वाज डूइंग द सेम थिंग हियर. इट्स अ वंडरफुल फैसिलिटी. अगर वाईफाई चल रहा है और आपका लेन केबल नहीं चल रहा है तो ये कर सकते हैं. बट देन यू विल नॉट गोइंग टू हैव अ गुड स्पीड बट स्टिल इट इज वर्केबल.
और सर
ट्रू ट्रू. ओके.
और सर
Anyone else?
जो
हाँ बोलिए.
आप बोल रहे थे ना कि एमएससी वाईफाई ये अलाउ नहीं करता, वो अलाउ नहीं करता, बहुत सारी साइट्स अलाउ नहीं करता। सर ऐसा नहीं है, वीपीएन करके बहुत सारे ऐसे ऐप आते
बेटा
हैं
ये
जिससे
नहीं बेटा क्या अभी पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म है, so I cannot suggest VPN here. Otherwise, let me confess you, I am also using VPN. But this is not something which I need to confess here, right? Because VPN is totally illegal, right? Torrent,
Yes,
VPN,
sir.
mode,
True,
website,
true.
all these
ऐसे
are
ही
very illegal.
हॉस्टल में
But
तो वही करते हैं हम सब।
हाँ जानू मालूम है, इसीलिए तो क्या होता है कि आप सभी पिक्चर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं टेलीग्राम से बाद में, है ना? ओके. ओके फाइन.
Thank
Is
you
there
so
anyone
much,
who would
sir,
like
for
to?
the wisdom. Thank you so much.
Okay. Wish you all the best. Two things, and then I'm cutting the class. Number one, if you are going to be tough on yourself, life will be easy on you. And remember for the lifetime. ये तो मैंने क्या अपने घर में भी पोस्टर बना के रखा है, और मैं जितने भी बच्चे अपने यहाँ से गए हैं, कोई मेरे रूम से गया है तो definitely I have written a note and I have given to him with signature also, and that is nothing changed until we change, right? और ये
ट्रू
सबसे
सर।
बड़ा सत्य है जीवन का.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
True.
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
sir.
May God bless you. All the best,
थैंक यू
dear.
सो
You
मच
can
सर।
leave here.
थैंक यू
But
सो
please
मच सर।
remember, if you face any problem, you can come it directly. Okay? Bye.
Sure, sir. Thank you so
सर
much,
Thank
sir.
you so much, sir.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sure, we are going to meet anytime right now on virtual. You just need to contact me on WhatsApp. Right? Nothing else. है ना? If you are going to become the teacher of English, going to become a teacher of English in the next semester, if you are teacher of some other subject in the third semester. Okay, all
Okay,
the
sir.
best.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir.
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 Good day, sir.